as you can hear by my bike, we are on one of the most whooped out trails in Michigan. And we came here today. I was kind of doing some testing on my brand new suspension before race season. And the trail is extremely whooped out, but I'll tell you what, since joining Maasto Fitness, I've seen a huge improvement in my endurance and strength on the trails. I mean, it's like night and day the difference I felt since the last time I rode this trail. So, and I'm telling you, the best part about Maasto Fitness is that they have equipment and equipment-free programs. So if you're like me, and all last year, you know, I was doing a little bit of running and a little bit of this and that in the gym, thinking that I was doing the right thing for racing, but quickly I found out I was in nowhere near as good a shape as I needed to be. So I finally decided to join Maasto Fitness, and it's specifically for dirt bike racers and hardcore trail riders. And all I can say is I wish I would have joined a lot sooner. So after talking to Coach Tyler, came up with a plan, and I'm happy to team up with him, and I'm going to be able to offer you guys a link in the description for a free week of training with Maasto Fitness. And I'm pretty confident, as well as Coach Tyler, that after you guys try that free week, you're going to sign up for the rest of the program. Because, you know, I know a lot of us, we're really busy at work. I know a lot of times when I get out of work, I used to just say, oh, I'll go for a run, or, you know, I'll do a little bit of this and that in the gym, and then before you know it, I'm so tired, I don't know what kind of program to do. Well, this is where Maasto comes in. They have all the programs for you. You just follow along. You got to put the effort in. But I'm telling you, in the short amount of time that I've been using it, I have seen a massive difference. And if you guys have followed this channel since the beginning or for a while now, you've never seen me like advertise anything, because it's just not what I do. You only will ever hear me talk about something if I truly believe in it and I use it. And that's the case with Maasto Fitness. I just wish I would have joined a lot sooner, because I know a lot of the guys that I race against and with have been using it for a while. So anyways, I am really excited for this coming season, and you know, I know the longer that I use it, the better shape I'm going to be in. So I just hope you guys take advantage of the link in the description. And yeah, I would love to hear in the comments if you guys use the link, what you thought, if you signed up afterwards, because I'm hooked. It just takes all the guesswork out of it. And also, they have a nutrition guide in there and a hydration guide as well. And I'll tell you what, the hydration guide is really interesting, because I think I know quite a bit about hydration, but after listening to his podcast on YouTube, I realized, you know what, that's where most of us get a lot of race day stuff wrong, is our hydration. So there's a lot more than just the workouts. There's 3 different tiers of plans, but anyways, just take my word for it. Hit that link, sign up, and then let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty sure you guys will love it. I know I do. But the rest of this video, I'm just going to let you listen to the raw 2-stroke sound. And this like I said, this coming week will be my first race, so I'm super excited, and I'm looking to obviously get better and better as I get stronger on the bike and as the race season goes on. So guys, don't wait, hit that link now. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Ryan's gonna take mine for a ride. I'm on his 23 Beta 300 RR race. This bike is what made me buy this one, so it's his fault. I'm in debt. Ooh, already noticed more vibration. Oh, Jesus. So, obviously I'm used to my bike, but I like his bars. My only complaint about mine is my bars. I think they need to go forward a little bit more. Not sure. Okay, obviously I gotta be real careful on someone else's bike. Oh, I'm not used to this. Okay, my bike feels snappier, but this feels, the motor's really smooth, just a lot more vibration. Wow, that's weird.
Reflash made a huge difference in the
motor. Didn't it?
Huge.
And plus, even before I got it reflashed, when it broke in a couple hours more, it did make a difference too.
Big difference in it though, like,
because it was too fat on the bottom.
Yeah, it's not nearly as soft now.
Yeah, I'm too awkward on this one. But,
oh yeah, totally different chassis.
Yeah,
totally
yours
different.
is, the motor's super smooth.
Yeah. Your suspension,
a little more vibration.
I feel like your rear is either bottoming out and then kicking, or just kicking a little bit. Like maybe slow the rebound down a couple clicks. Because it felt really balanced other than that.
I wanted to...
Suspension feels good.
Yeah, I wanted to get this ride in and then play with it.
And it only is in the whoops, so it might be actually blowing through. You know, it's hard to tell with me. I'm 50
See, and for me,
heavy.
I was starting to think it's feeling really good. Like it's...
Yeah, no, it feels good. Like it's just... My bike does the same. I kind of like it to do that. I'd rather it load the front end than float.
Yeah.
So like, I don't mind when it kind of kicks into the, you know, like when you hit the last couple whoops and it kind of bucks up a little bit. It's controllable. It's not like it's...
Yeah.